Hello everyone, this is David Lewis with your tip of the day. And today my tip is going to be about something that everyone struggles with, and that is the inevitable sales slump. It happens to all of us. We all hate when it happens, and when it does, we try to get out of it as fast as possible. The problem is that most just try too hard to get back on track. When we get in that slump, our thoughts are to try harder, push harder, and work harder. Unfortunately, all that does is put you deeper into the slump. The old school thought was that the best way to get out of a slump was to just go back to the basic sales steps. And I do not disagree with that. But I do think that many of us, when we try to go back to the basic steps, still try harder, push harder, and work harder. And I'm not saying that's a bad thing. But when you do that, your aggression and efforts are displayed to the customer. And those mannerisms tend to come off as pressure, and that scares the customer. So here's my tip of the day. The next time you're in a slump, I want you to tell yourself that you will not, and I mean will not, sell a car for the next 5 to 7 days. That all you're going to do is make some great presentations and demonstrations. Make some friends and have some fun. But again, in your mind, you will not sell a car for the next 5 to 7 days. Just do everything right and remove the pressure from yourself. And then guess what's going to happen? Before you know it, you'll be out of the slump and selling cars. Always remember that a slump creates fear, and fear is not good. Remove the fear from your mind, and your skill sets will get you out of that slump. Good luck, everyone, and please be safe.
Try DLA Online and DLA Live to discover why the top automotive professionals already have. For more information, visit our website at www.davidlewis.com or call us at 321-435-6000.